And this is how the Convenient Height brand toilet looks like with a bidet installed on it. A couple of things we've done here. This bidet is electrically powered, so we had to get an outlet put in. But the power outlet is supposed to have a GFI on it, just because you have water next to it. There are bidets without electricity required. If you have never done one before, the plumbing of it is pretty simple. The metal protected supply line is just a simple supply line for the toilet. The white line right here comes with a bidet. It also comes in the packaging with such a three-way piece, which splits the water supply line, so you get enough for your bidet and then plenty for your tank. This bidet also has some lights, night lights. So now we're going to test this bidet on the Convenient Height toilet, but let's give it a shot. So if I turn on the bidet, it will not spray because there's no weight on the seat. So now I'm going to apply some weight on the seat first. I'm going to use this cup so it doesn't spray into my face. So let's see here. Well, thanks so much for watching, and as usual, if you've seen other videos that we make, I would like to finish the video with a flush test here, and we'll do this right now. So just a reminder, the handle goes up for less water, so we'll just slightly activate it now. If the handle goes up for up to a gallon, the handle all the way down goes for a full tank empty flush. And that's how the Convenient Height toilet with the bidet on looks like using the full flush here. It's definitely a lot of power with it. And thanks so much for watching. For more information, please visit convenientheight.com.